in your case, you really looked at environmental causes for a while too, right? So what did you find there?
So this is where my kind of, I guess, the impetus for my entire lab came about, because when I was doing my postdoc, we were trying to understand. There's several like human studies, epidemiological studies, that have shown that if children grow up in a farming environment, so in Germany they have there are some very traditional type farms where they have really close contact with the animals, with the hay. They drink raw milk that is unpasteurized, etc., etc. And there are several studies that have been done kind of in these farming communities, and they show that if number one, if children grow up in these farming communities, they have much less risk for developing asthma. And then the major interesting thing that they found was that they also found an association between, if a woman is pregnant and lives in this traditional farming environment, there's also a prenatal protective effect on their children to stop them from getting asthma. And I was just utterly fascinated by this, because this is a transgenerational thing. So, what you do when you're pregnant, or the environment that you're in, can actually affect, the disease susceptibility of your children. So that's something that's a really complex, interesting puzzle that I really wanted to try to figure out. So that's kind of how I got started with it.